Okay, guys, I just want to thank Andrew H. He made a comment about when I did my shocks that you have to bleed them. If you don't, you end up with a dead shock. So you need rebound, right? When you let go, it should bounce back. And actually, if you don't bleed them, it won't do that. They'll be dead, and you won't get that rebound, and your shock won't work correctly. So I figured I better redo something here. So this one here, I've got it, as you can see, I don't know, not all the way full. And I've already, and don't let the plunger come out of the oil, gone up and down at least 10 or 15 times. And then you gotta let it sit for like 10 minutes. I've already done that. Okay, and now I want to fill the shock up. And I want to leave a little concave in the top. It's full, but there's a little bit of a dip there, right? I want to bring the shock up and back down a few times. It's going to leak on you a little bit. That's fine. Let it leak. And this is allowing any air to come out of there. Okay, and now you want to let it sit again. And you want to let it sit so that any trapped air in there, the little tiniest of bubbles that you can't see, will collect into one bubble over time, and you can plunge that bubble out. So we're going to let her sit for 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so she's been 10 minutes. So now we're going to take this baby again, and now I'm going to fill it right up. I'm going to put my cap on. Okay, now I'm going to loosen this cap a little bit, because this is stock shocks. They don't have bleeders. Better shocks have a bleeder screw. You can bleed the air out. Okay, this doesn't have it. So I'm going to push this up. And now I'm going to hold it there, and I'm going to tighten my cap. I'm going to let her go back down. And see, it's leaked oil out, right? So basically we're bleeding any air that's left in there out. And now I'm going to pull her back down. I'm going to loosen my cap again. I'm going to push it all the way to the top. And I'm going to tighten it up before I let it go back down. I'm holding it in place, I'm tightening it. Okay, oil everywhere. So it's letting oil out, it's letting out air, right? And by the way, guys, when you take your shocks out, make sure you take out the little bearing ball, steel ball in there, and the plastic cap. Now, on the front ones, people change these top caps out for aluminum ones, because you'll split that little thing in there sometimes. Pull it out. I hit a branch and it pulled the shock right off. So, but the rear ones are encased. So I just took the broken one out and swapped it with the rear one and put the good one up front again, and they're good to go again. Right? You know? I mean, don't fix what ain't broke. It works. Okay, now. If this is right, this shock should now have rebound. And so it does. See that? And that's what we want. We want rebound in the shock. Let the air come out. You know, it takes like 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Let it sit for 10 minutes, you know, each time. But that way, your shocks will be done. As long as you got rebound, you can put them back together. And hey, you should service your shocks, you know, I don't know. It depends on how much you play with it. I play with mine every day. So, you know, this is like, I've had the car once a month. I service the shocks probably, right? You know? Okay? Okay, guys. Oh, and I did want to say thanks to Andrew H. He's the one who caught on to this. Thanks, man.